Hi everyone, and welcome to this month's Sewing Club. Today we're going to be making reusable fabric bowl covers with elastic. You can use these to cover and protect your food instead of aluminum foil or plastic wrap. They'll definitely come in handy at an outdoor party or picnic to keep pesky flies off your food, and they are washable and pretty. I'm making mine from a fabric scrap, but depending on your bowl size, you should be able to do this from a fat quarter. To make your bowl cover, you'll just need regular cotton fabric and some 1/8 to 1/4 inch elastic. We'll be doing a tiny amount of hand sewing, so you'll need a regular needle and thread too. I've got a couple of bowl and fabric choices here, and I'm going to go with the small bowl and watermelon fabric. We need to spread the fabric out wrong side up. We're going to place our bowl on top upside down, and using a sewing marker, I'm going to draw out my pattern. We want to come about 2 inches out from the edge of the bowl and trace out a circle. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and cut that out. Now we can start pinning or clipping our fabric. We want to fold in from the edge about 1/2 inch all the way around the circle. At the machine, we're going to sew around the perimeter, leaving a gap of about 2 inches open so we can add our elastic. We're going to go slow here, and as we pull each pin or clip, we'll keep the fabric folded to 1/2 inch as we go around. It's harder since it's in the round, so you will notice the fabric gathers and crimps as it's sewn, and that's perfectly fine and what it needs to do. Now with our bowl upside down, we'll measure out some elastic around the circumference of the bowl. Once we have that, we need to take off about 5 inches to make it shorter so the elastic will hold on the bowl. Now we'll take a safety pin and pin it through one end of the elastic. We're going to use this to feed it through the channel we made around the edge of the fabric. Now that we've fed the elastic through, we can remove the safety pin. And this is where the hand sewing comes into play. We're going to sew the ends of the elastic together. It should only take a few stitches, just test it when done to make sure it holds together. For our last step, we need to close up the hole we left for adding the elastic. We'll just fold this over and make sure the elastic is tucked up out of the way, and then sew on the machine to close the gap. And it's all done and fits our bowl. Let's try it out with some chips now. I love it!